Choose a 2-inch 18-gauge brad nail when installing a wooden doorstop in a new jamb to secure the stop without splitting the wood. Selecting the right length and gauge starts with understanding material thickness and holding requirements. A 2-inch 18-gauge brad is usually ideal because it penetrates the stop and embeds into the jamb beyond the stop by roughly 3/4 of an inch when typical stop and jamb thicknesses are used. Drive brads every 3 to 4 inches along the stop to distribute holding force and minimize stress points that can cause splitting. Use a nail gun with adjustable depth or a handset and hammer to sink the head slightly below the surface without crushing the wood fibers. If using a nail gun, reduce drive pressure until the head seats cleanly. Pre-drilling is not usually necessary for 18-gauge, but do pilot holes if working near edges or with very dense hardwoods to keep splits from forming. For finishing, fill the small countersink with quality wood filler, let it dry, and sand flush so paint or caulk bonds evenly. Common mistakes include driving nails too close to the edge, which splits the stop, using a nail that is too long, which penetrates through visible faces, and overdriving, which crushes fibers and weakens holding power. If nails are too close to the edge, move placement inward by at least 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch or stagger positioning and use pilot holes near edges. If nails are too long, switch to the 2-inch length and verify the combined thickness of stop plus jamb before fastening so nothing pokes through. If you overdrive, remove the brad and replace with a new one set correctly, or reinforce with a finishing screw countersunk and plugged for a stronger hold. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources specific to carpentry and door jamb repair to help you choose materials and techniques that work. We also offer a discussion community where our users share real-world tips, ask questions, and trade photos, and we make it easy for contractors to find new work and showcase their skills.